How to create multiple Instagram accounts under one email. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on add account. Now simply tap on create new account. Now tap on username. Now choose the username. Then tap on next. Now create a password. Again tap on next. Now tap on complete sign up. Now wait for some time. Again tap on next. Now give the permissions. Now tap on skip. Now tap on skip. Now complete the sign up process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.